Hi guys, hello, cuteness alert, okay? Valentine's video, Valentine's is coming. So these are a really cute, quick make for your loved ones, your kids, your mum, your dad, whatever, boyfriend, girlfriend, you name it. And they are cutesy little candle jars, okay? One of the simplest ones. So I've got a jar, you will need any jar. You'll need some ribbon, trusted twine. I've got some stars, again, favourite place, Wilco's. I ordered these heart die cuts from eBay, and let's get started. I want to try and make this quick. Don't forget you'll need your hot glue gun. So you are going to hot glue around the base of the jar, the base of the lid, should I say. Mind your fingers, it is hot. Hot. Okay, a little bit of hot glue here. I was going to try and do this in 3 minutes, but I think the camera would probably be shaking all over the joint. So I'm going to try and do it as quick as I can without that. I'm then going to add some twine around the bottom. So again, oh, I say that a lot, don't I? Again, when you're at home, guys, you'll be able to take your time on this, but I'm doing this purely for video purposes. So wrap it. I do like a bit of twine. You might know from my previous videos, I'm a bit of a fan of the twine. So wrap it, cut that off. Then you're going to choose whether you want wooden heart or a wooden star. I actually prefer the wooden star, so I'm going to stick that straight in the middle, making sure that the back is, oh, camera's proper wobbly guys, sorry. Making sure that the back is round here. So you're going to take a little piece of twine and like a tiny bit of twine, okay? You're going to hot glue the back of the star here, stick the twine on, and you are going to stick it at the front of your jar. So that's just going to hang nicely at the front of your jar. Then you're going to take more twine around the top and you're going to hide that. Might be easier to do the twine first actually, but either way round, as long as the job gets done, right? So wrap your twine around the top of the jar a couple of times until you think, you know what, that's pretty enough. And then glue it at the back. So glue it at the back where everything else is being glued. Then you just need to create a bow for the back, for the front. Back, seriously. See what happens when you try and do things quickly? Create a bow to put here. And we all know what happened to my last bow. Didn't go quite according to plan. You don't really need to see me make a bow, but I'm just going to tie one off quickly. A tiny little baby bow for the front, nothing too big. So that's the one there. This is where I get in a tiz because I always forget which end needs cutting. But I think that's the bit there that needs cutting. So that's the bow done. Guys, I'm really bad at bows. And stick that straight above the star to give it that cutesy. Guys, done. How long was that? I can't even see. 3 minutes 30. Put a candle in. Happy Valentine's Day.